lumalaking pamilya at nangangarap na manirahan sa isang subdivision na secured, peaceful community at higit sa lahat, flood-free? Baka ito lang hinahanap mong property na single attached, complete turnover at ready for occupancy. Last, very convenient pa dahil malapit ito sa lahat. Only 30,000 lang ang reservation fee nito ay mag-secure na ang future home mo. Here at Nasa Itong Homes 13, your home at the heart of Cavite. For more details, schedule for site rating and reservation ay i-message nyo lang po ako at asahan nyo hanggang turnover ng unit nyo ay sasamahan ko kayo. By the way, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted and accredited real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. See you soon! God bless!